Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I saw a dream on 16 February 2017 in which I saw myself in a White House, and I started to watch the White House. The White House was built really well, and then I went into a hall and there was a door there, and I passed that door and there were two people talking there. One man was begging the other to make him his younger brother, and he was saying that I will obey every of your command, and I will do whatever you say. And see this, that I have spread the same sort of destruction in Kashmir as Israel has spread in Palestine. And upon hearing this, the other man became very happy and said that from today you are my younger brother. And that man became very happy and said that I will never give my elder brother a need to complain. Upon seeing this, I became surprised that who are these people who have become brothers. And then the elder brother came out of the room, and I peeked into the room and saw that it was India's Prime Minister. And he was getting really happy that his cordial wish came true. And I also became surprised on seeing this, that the Indian Prime Minister became the younger brother of the President of United States. And then I went after the President of the United States. He went into another room and there he was talking to someone. And he said that we have found our younger brother who will do exactly as we say. And he has also told me about the work he has done. He is following the exact path as yours. And upon hearing this, he became very happy and said that the day isn't far when we will rule the entire world. He said that let me meet him also. And then they both came out of the room, and the one to whom the President of the United States was talking was the Prime Minister of Israel. And the President of the United States called the Prime Minister of India and said that come out now, you have no need to hide from anyone. And now we will continue our mission forward together. And then they pledged to this. Upon seeing all this, I said that the Muslims are sleeping and the disbelievers are working on their plans day and night. And the bad time for Muslims are going to come, and Pakistanis will now suffer too. I request you all to share these dreams and visit my Facebook page and YouTube channel for more details. Thank you for watching. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.